Hello guys, welcome to Finstock Biztalk. This is a channel to talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start and manage your business. We also talk about online courses. And today we are going to be talking about DICT, Diploma in Information Communication Technology. I'll be answering some of the questions I'll be getting regarding this course. And let's start by what is this course. This course now is a course that intends to equip the trainees with knowledge, skills, and competencies which are responsive to the challenging needs of the computing industry. We find that this course will now allow you as a graduate to work in a salaried employment or self-employment. And so what are the grades do you need for diploma in ICT? At Finstock Evarsity College, if you're doing a diploma, you need to have a C minus. But if you are doing a certificate, you need to have a D minus. But for the short courses, they require no grade. And then another question is, how many years is a diploma in information communication technology? If you're doing it at Finstock Evarsity College, the diploma will take you 12 months. A certificate takes 8 months, and short courses take 1 to 4 months. And then someone is asking, is diploma in ICT a good course? Yes, it is, because we find that ICT programs, they prepare scholars for careers in the business world by teaching you how to effectively solve a problem related to ICT. And you find that ICT professionals, they commonly have knowledge of computer networks, software, telecommunication databases, and programming, and much more. And then someone is asking, where can I be employed with diploma in ICT? So these are some of the places that you can work. Number one, you can work in a case management support. You can work in intensive care coordinator. You can work as a field-based community health worker. You can work as a desktop support. You can work in assembly. You can work in entry-level information technology technician. So these are some of the areas that you can work. And then what subjects are needed for ICT? So if you want to do as ICT, you need things like English, physics, mathematics, or an A-level 2 principal passes, and one subsidiary pass in the relevant subjects or relevant professional qualification approved by the university senate. And then someone is asking, is diploma in ICT marketable? Yes, it is. You find that there are many career opportunities for the graduate in diploma in ICT. And for example, you can become an ICT consultant. You can work as an ICT manager, a web developer. You can work as a computer network professional. You can work as an ICT support office, etc. So ICT is a marketable course, and it's one of the marketable courses in Kenya. So those are some of the questions I'll be getting regarding ICT. If you're interested in learning about ICT, you can do this at Finstock Evarsity College. Visit their website at www.finstockevarsity.com or call them at 0703 313 722 or send them an email at info@finstockevarsity.com. Make sure at the end of this video you like, comment, subscribe, share, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified. Until next time, goodbye.